everyone. Happy New Year. My name is Leslie and I'm the Reading Safari and Stream Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. And I'm here with a special one-time only program to wish you a very happy new year. Another thing that I wanted to talk to you about is how to make a happiness jar, which I like to do anytime. You don't have to just start at the beginning of the new year, but it's a good way to remind yourself that we have so much to be grateful for. So all you really need to make yourself a happiness jar is some kind of container, an empty container. It can be a jar like this. This just happens to be a beautiful jar that I had in my pantry that really wasn't holding anything. It can be an empty container of like sour cream, one of those plastic containers. You can clean it out, put some pretty paper on it, or not, any kind of empty container, a bowl, anything like that will do. And you will need some paper, any kind of paper, again, whatever you can get your hands on. I have this kind of cool, weird book full of brown paper, and it's pretty cool because they're detachable. So I'm going to use this and a pen. That's all that you need to create a happiness jar. So what is a happiness jar? Well, it's a place to put the things that you're grateful for. So after a year like 2020, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty grateful for making it to 2021. It was a tough year for so many of us. And I think this is a great time to start a happiness jar. So on one of my pieces of paper, I got it right here, I'm going to write down something that is making me happy today. And that thing today is, I'm going to read it to you because it does make me happy and it does seem very silly, but whatever. It's not silly to me. Ready? I'm wearing my rainbow cardigan. I love this cardigan. It's awesome. And it's a small thing, but you know what? It makes me happy. So guess what? I wrote it down. I'm going to fold it up and I'm going to put it in my jar. See? Now I have my first thing in the jar. And as I think of it, I'm going to add more things that I'm grateful for into the jar. Maybe I'll do it daily or weekly. I think I'm going to try and do it daily. And then I would have a nice full jar by the end of the year. And the idea is at the end of the year, or even not at the end of the year, you can take things out and you can read what you're happy about, what you're grateful for. And it's supposed to give you a lift and a reminder of those things, because so many things I think we forget. We get bogged down in day-to-day life and we forget that we do have so much to be grateful for. And so I hope that in a year I will be opening up this jar and reading about the fact that I was wearing my rainbow cardigan. And then I'll remember, oh my rainbow cardigan. Oh, I should go put it back on, So, oh my goodness. I'm also grateful for that barking dog in the background, even though he sounds very angry. I'm grateful for him too. And I'm probably going to write another little thing on my paper about him. So the point is not to have a perfect vessel to put things in. You fill it up and that's what makes it good. That's what makes it perfect. So you can decorate your jar however you want. I chose not to decorate mine because it's all very pretty. You can use whatever paper you want. The only important thing, like I said, is that you have a container, some paper, and a pen. And that is all that you need. and also your own sense of gratitude that comes from up here and right here. All right, friends, I'm going to sign off for today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your New Year's Day, and I will see you throughout 2021 here on our online programming, and hopefully soon enough in person too. Take care, everybody. Take care. Love yourselves. Love your families. Have a great new year. I'll see you soon. Bye.